This is our paint area. So all of our primers and stains. So we have deck stains right here and stick and slog and siding stains we use during the summer. Those are stored down below. We have our caulk right here. Those are new tubes. Old tubes down below. You want to grab from there first. Ceiling paints, interior paints, cabinet paints, some primer over there, some rattle cans over here. Up above we have all of our drywall tools and materials. So we have our quickset mud over here, buckets of that, and we have some pans and drywall tools over here. Down below we have some of our 5-gallon buckets of primer, mostly stored down below here. On the left side we have stains, 5-gallon buckets of stain. So this is what it should look like. It should not have random tools on there. It should not have old tubes of caulk or old tape or anything like that. This is only for paint supplies. New tubes of caulk, new fillers. Those are for drywall spackle, new fillers stored up above on that right side right there. And then when we order new supplies and they get delivered to the shop, they're going to get delivered right here, and there's going to be a piece of paper on top of it letting you know what job it's for. But this is what the paint station should look like.